friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you different cuts of vegetables. When you're reading cookbooks or looking at cookery shows, you can see that they use different terms, which are nothing but different styles of cuts. So today I'm going to show you some of those cuts. Juliennes. Juliennes are just really thin slices. They're super long and they're used in Chinese and other Oriental dishes. These are what Juliennes look like. Then just slide them in a 90-degree and start cutting them from the other side. Make sure you're cutting it as finely as possible. Into Brunoise, which is very finely chopped. Used in soups and stuffings. I'm cutting these in fine juliennes first, and once I'm done with that, I'm going to finely chop them. Make sure you're very careful when you're doing this and that you have your eyes on the vegetables while you're chopping. Okay, so now I'm done with the bell peppers. The next one we're doing is chiffonade. The term chiffonade is usually used for leafy vegetables and is almost as fine as slicing them. Now we're gonna do the chiffonade cut on this cabbage. Just cut long, thin slices. A better way of doing this is by rolling the leaves like this. This gives you a better grip on the vegetable. In coleslaw or other salads, this is the kind of cut we would use. The next cut is a paisane or a farmer's cut. In French, it's called a paisane. We also call it just cutting in cubes. What you're going to do is cut about an inch apart. Then turn it and cut again. They're basically just small cubes, but are great for garnishing. These are what they look like. I'll do it with a tomato too. To do it with a tomato, first cut it in half, just to make it easier. Now they're just fine cubes or blocks. So this is what Pausanne looks like. They're nothing but evenly chopped cubes or squares. When it comes to lemons, we do wedges. Wedges are just where you cut around the sides, and they're great with drinks and cocktails. So these are what they look like. You can just squeeze them in a drink, and all the seeds are in here so they don't come in the way.
Your knife should be very sharp, so you don't have to rub the tomato, so all the juice will come out.
Thanks for watching. Hope you liked the video. If you're a kid, make sure you're super careful while you're chopping. Bye!